How to find stored passwords in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your search bar and then search bar from your start menu and then simply search for Credential Manager and then open it. Now you will see these two options, Web Credential and Windows Credential. Select the one that you want to find the password of. Now what you will have to do is drag down this button and then go to edit. Now pressing on edit will show you the password and also you will be able to see the password. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.